Hello everyone, my name is Kunal. I have completed my engineering in electronics and communication stream from KD College of Engineering Technology, Chikkodi. After completion of my engineering, I have taken a course in Emertxe Institute. My friends referred me for this institute. This course provided me valuable skills and developing my knowledge in the subject very well. So I thank Emertxe for this opportunity to gain new skills and enhance my skills. And I also thank for giving me opportunities to get me placed well in a very good company. I have recently placed in a company named as QNAP. So if you want to learn new skills and get polished in new skills, I recommend you to join this institute. Thank you.